everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 146th edition release, Sneaky Peek Day 2. As I started yesterday, but I won't show you the whole pack today, but I am going to show it to you this way. This is the Hot Chocolate Season 2024 paper pack. And so hopefully you can see that. I did show it in detail, so if you like, you can check that out from the previous day. We also have the Scallop Ginger Rosette Dies, and she'll have 2 in the pack, and it has little small gingers in there, so you can keep the fallout for your shaker bits if you'd like. And then she made the Sweet Ginger Mrs. Claus, so now you have a Mrs. Claus to go with your Santa Claus, and so it's super cute. And this one will use the Ginger Companion die, if I'm not mistaken. I'll show you which one though. But yeah, so she's super cute. And then we have the, let's see, medium Scallop Ginger Bow Dies. And these have ginger fallouts too, so don't throw those away because you can use those in shaker cards. And this one you're kind of getting a double bang for your buck here, because you can use it as layers, or you can make another set of bows without the gingers. So you're getting a double bang for your buck there. And then that one was the medium one. And then we also have a small one. Just like the other one, make sure you save those fallouts, because you can use that, and you're getting a double bang for your buck on that one too. So, and I'll show you what I use, or how I use these from the new release. I also pulled this out again and used the gingerbread cookie plate, and I'll show you those. So this is in the new release as well. And here we go. I'm going to start out with the Mrs. Claus. Now, I did make one into a card, but the other one I'll show you at a later date and how I've used it. But I thought I'd show her because she's just so super cute with her little outfit. Just adorable. I love her. And I did add some white gel pen and inked up her cheeks. Just so super cute. I love her. And then this is the card that I made. And there goes those little gingerbread cookies, high leaf die, and I put her on that cookie sheet plate die. And then I also used the pretty rectangle scallop dies along with the frame layer dies. And I'll show all of my additional dies at the end. And then I just layered one in the inside there too. But oh, I love her. She's just adorable. Just too cute. And then let me start with this one. This is how I use that bow. Remember I said you can get double bang for your buck? So I use that without the little extras on there. But there goes that rosette die in the back. And I really like that. It turned out so cute. And I just laid that on there. Now I would suggest that you use a lighter paperweight. This is a 110 pound, or actually it's about an 80 pound cardstock that I got from Joann's. And so it's a little thick, but I would say definitely stick to thinner paper or use her paper, because that worked perfectly and it doesn't leave any like extra curves in your paper. But it's really cute. Oops, got a little bit of glue on there. Anyways, love how that box turned out. I didn't know for sure if I wanted to add something on the back side or just use it where you can write a little note, or if you have it on your table for Christmas, you can put names on it along with a little gift in the inside. Just so cute. Love that. It turned out adorable. And then I went and pulled out her I think it's called I Love Fall dies with that little turkey. Oh, can you imagine this on your Thanksgiving table with their names on the back, along with this little cute little turkey and that little rosette die that's in the back with the fallout of the gingers, of course, because he's a ginger. Just too cute. But I love this little box along with that little turkey die. So if you don't have either of those, make sure you pick them up. But those are super cute. And then these are my last items that I'm showing you. I made some embellishments that you can add on any type of project that you'd like. And I pulled out those little cookie dies once again, and I used the gingers. These came from the strawberry plate flower die, and like I said, I'll show you everything at the end that I used. And those were made by Shabby Pink House. She sent me some as a gift, and I was so thankful. But look at those little bows. Let me take that out the package so you can see that a little better. But they're great for gift giving, or you can use them on any kind of project you'd like. But I thought they were so pretty with that little bow in the center. And I saved my fallouts. Let me show you how I saved my fallouts. They're in this little container there, and so I can use those for shakers there. But just super cute. Oh, I just love it. And the bows are really cute. And then this is that large treat bag. I extended that plate a little bit so that I could add those on there so that everything would fit perfectly. And then I also have this one here. Let me get that out of that bag for you. And there we go with that one. This one I added the little ginger, and in order for the ginger not, to fold the arms, I did use glue, hot glue, and I just built a little dollop so that it can stick up a little higher and it wouldn't impede on the bow there. So I thought that was really cute, and like I said, these do so much better if you don't use thick cardstock. It lays nicely. You don't have all of the extra little curves in there, or lines that you were trying to create the bow with. So, and like I said, double bang for your buck. And so there goes another one right there, just plain bow, or you can use it with the ginger background bows. And then this also came from the large treat bag. Here are all the items that I used to create all those projects with. And so I used the small and medium ginger faces. I used the treat box die. Like I said, if I didn't say, it'll be back in stock on tomorrow. Holly plate die. The large treat bag, and this is where I got the background layers for the embellishments. This is the paper that I got the Mrs. Claus outfit from, Christmas Ginger Kisses 2. And there goes that cookie sheet tag. I used that largest one there. This is the rectangle frame die layers that went on the card. That's what I used. Strawberry flower plate die, which were the flowers that were in the bows. And then it's the sweet gingerbread companion die that you use with the Santa Claus for this one, or Mrs. Claus rather. Then I also used the pretty scallop rectangle dies. I love fall dies. This is so cute. And then I also use the boy and girl ginger dies. And so these are the items that I created for you today. Make sure you come back tomorrow, because tomorrow will be the day of the release hop and giveaway. What you want to do is to leave a comment on each of the designers' posts that will be here on YouTube. I want to say there's 5 of us here. And then you can have the chance to win a release. And then also go over to Instagram and leave a comment over there on all of the designers there, and you will have a chance to win a release over there as well. And so that is it. Make sure you come back tomorrow. It starts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that's for the release hop and giveaway. So that's all I have for you. Check out all the pictures at the end. Thanks so much, and have a blessed and crafty day.